All right. This is where we unlatch the hood. It's already unlatched.
Is that it?
Yeah. And then the other side. Now to like unstick the hood, we're gonna lift up here before you try to do that. So just lift it up to make sure it's not stuck. Okay. Okay. There you go.
That's easy peasy. This side. And we're just checking the oil.
Put the hood down gently. What are you doing? It's not supposed to be that hard.
It's twisted. Okay, so we are here picking up the semi because of the trailer brakes. But once we're waiting for it to warm up, and then
Today is the day of teaching Brunette Sis how to drive the semi.
and so
Today we're going to be solely focusing on shifting. So I'm going to get us out of here and take us out to the boonies so that we can,
no traffic.
yeah, and take her somewhere where we can focus on her shifting. We're in the Kenworth semi right now, and yeah, today's the day. Okay, so we're downshifting, so slow down. And then step on it to take it out of gear, and then kind of do that to put it in. See?
Yeah. Okay, so I have only driven the semi one other time with Bro, and it was just down like a gravel road. Semis needed moved, and he said, "You drive," and so that was the only other time I've ever driven a semi.
And that was for like 5 minutes.
Yeah, that video looks like this. We weren't gonna post it because it was just kind of like a video, just like for us. But then we showed Mom had seen it, and she's like, "Well, you guys would like to see it as well." So that got posted, and now lesson 2. It really wasn't a lesson. I was just kind of driving, you know, like he wasn't. I don't know, whatever.
So I'm going to be teaching Brunette Sis how to shift a semi. We're solely focusing on shifting today, and I'm by no means a professional truck driver, but I can get around in this. So I'm going to teach her some shifting.
There is a trailer on the back as well, so I am I am learning with the trailer on, so then I can get the turns, and so.
Because like rarely, if ever, is she gonna ever drive the semi without a trailer on.
Yeah.
So, yeah. If we learn the harder things first, then it can be like easy later on.
For when the trailer is whatever, and we gotta go pick up a different trailer and whatnot.
Oh, okay. So stop here?
Yeah.
Okay. One of you, can't remember who it was, they said to put the flicker switch, the switch up when I'm still in gear, and then when I take it into neutral, it will engage it. I would like do everything at the same time. I would, like I'm in 5, I would hurry up and go to like, I would take it out of gear, flick it, and put it in the next gear all at the same time. But you got one of you, I can't remember who it was, one of you said to put this switch in while you're still in gear, and that was I always didn't know that, and now I do. Okay, so thank you. That was a good tip. Right, so, well, we can't do the gears when it's on. I can't show you the gears when it's running. Okay, so pretend.
Hold on. What's this car doing?
5, and then you put the switch up, and then back to 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It gets to 10 speed.
Ready? 1, 2, do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 1, 2. Okay, you're not going over.
It's in the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. Oh, up over here is reverse.
What am I popping in reverse? Would it go?
Why wouldn't it go?
No, like literally. Like we're going 40 mile an hour and then or whatever, let's see. If I have it in 6, but then I flip it up to go into 1 and then it goes poof. Would it really like...
Unless you actually put it up there, it's not just going to go there. But make sure it goes into, because this, look, over here, way over here is reverse. This in the middle is 3, but it's not going. Okay, so come on. 1, exaggerate your movements, because this is a wider gearbox.
Why don't I just do it on here?
And 7, 8, 9, 10.
Easy enough.
I never said it was hard.
Buckle up. I'm assuming your phone's still recording. Oh, I have my mic on the wrong side.
You gonna help? You didn't clean the windows.
It's cleaner now.
Turn the key. Did you make sure you were in neutral? Before we get started, any bets she already knows how to drive?
In?
You have to really, not that hard.
I hope your phone's still recording. Okay.
Okay, start out in 1. Make sure your switch is down.
What do you mean?
And we're teaching, there's a lot of different opinions on whether or not clutching, double clutching, or floating the gears is better. I was taught to float the gears, and that is reverse. Down is over and down is 1.
1 is down?
Yes, if it's not going, then let go of the clutch. Let go of the clutch. Whoa, don't gotta push that much. Okay, don't, you're revving it up too much.
Don't we want to do that?
No. That's already too much. Let off the gas some.
Isn't it like Dad's truck?
No, forget about that. I would shift already.
Again?
Yeah. Stay on the road.
Again?
Why not?
It's hot in here.
Shift already. Leave my window up. Okay, you're going too fast. There's no rushing. Just a minute. There's no need to rush. Just take your time.
6?
5. To go into 6, you flip it up and then go back into 1.
Alright, well.
We float the gears. On our farm, all of us pretty much float the gears. So that's what she's going to learn to do. We like to save our clutches, and so we only use the clutch when we need it. Okay, did you flip the switch up?
I'm going down a hill.
Okay, slow down.
What am I doing?
Slowing down.
For what?
Act like you're gonna stop.
Why?
Get your foot off of the gas. Now start to slowly kind of brake. Now, okay. Now
What am I doing?
push the gas, put it in neutral.
Why?
Downshifting.
What am I in?
5.
Where's 4? Here?
Yeah. Straight up. Okay, you have to stop. Just stop. Leave it in neutral. Push in your brake. Your brake. Okay. Slow down.
I'm going slow.
No, you're just going. You just. And when you're ready to downshift. When you're ready to downshift. Just. Are you listening?
Yeah.
When
We're ready to downshift just.
When you're ready to downshift, you pump the gas to take it out of the gear, and then you're neutral, and then you're gonna pump the gas a little bit to put it back into the next gear, which would have been 4. You can't just take it out of gear and shove it in. Pump the gas to take it out of 5, and then you're in neutral, and then you gently tap the gas to put it into 4. But you have to make sure you're like, you know. Okay, put your switch down.
No.
Is there anybody behind you?
No.
Okay, now start out at 1. And you,
Why? Why is it doing that? I can let go of the brake, right?
yes. Now push in the gas as you're going. Slowly. Go.
I'm rolling.
Go.
You said slowly.
Yeah, but you gotta let off the clutch. Okay, now shift now. You're not tapping the gas to put it in. You're just doing it once.
You said to take it out.
Anytime.
Oh, I'm not supposed
Tap-
to have my hand there.
Tap the gas to take it out, and then tap the gas to put it in. Okay, slow. Just do it slowly. Tap, take it out. Tap, put it in. Well, you're just not even. You're just go right into the next gear.
Isn't that what I'm supposed to do? No.
When I do it, I tap the gas, take it out of gear. Tap the gas, put it into gear.
But if I don't need to. We ready to go in 5?
Yeah. Tap.
The RPMs is
It
always at
won't-
12.
It won't grind if you tap the gas to put it in.
What am I doing? I'm on a hill. I feel like I need a shift.
Well, you would be normally in 6 right now.
Well,
So go into 6. Wait. Flick up the switch.
the stop sign's right here. I'll just wait.
Well, your RPMs are pretty high, so either don't push the gas so much and just slowly drive. Don't have your RPMs that high.
It's just at 10. This one, right?
Yeah.
What am I doing?
Rolling down the hill.
To take it out.
Pushing your. I wouldn't. It's very hard to downshift downhill. Because if you downshift when you're going downhill, then your RPMs are going to be up super, super high, and you're not going to be in enough high of a gear. Now I would downshift. Push the gas, take it out of gear. Tap the gas to put it in 4th. Tap the gas.
What do you think I'm doing?
Push the brake. Okay, now.
Come on, right? You got cameras.
Well, it's not my fault you didn't get it. Okay, now
Let's
pushing
just
the
start
clutch.
out in 1 again.
Push. Do you want me to do it?
I gotta get to the stop sign at least. That's what I do.
Put it in a neutral. Push in your brake.
that one?
Sometimes you just gotta let go of everything real quick and then push it. Sometimes you're just pushing. Okay, you're doing everything way too fast. Put less pressure on the brake. Okay, but don't make us roll.
There's nobody around, by the way, so we's a good.
What did you do?
This is a leg workout.
Switch?
No?
I think I need to just show you what to do.
I know what to do.
You can't even get it into first gear.
Just let me try.
There's just no reason to grind that.
Why isn't it going?
Let's switch.
Why is my leg shaking so much, dude? Am I gonna roll?
I'm pushing the brake to take off this. Now, I'm gonna push in the clutch, and I'm just kind of, just gonna do it.
Oh man,
I kind of just, I'm not stepping on the, if I step on it,
Step on what?
the brake, just kind of put it in. Okay, I'm just gonna like tell you, okay? Okay, I'm in 5 right now.
So,
Now, I'm going to put the switch up, and see how here I'm not like way up here. I'm not way up there. You see?
why is the switch up?
Because I'm going to shift. I'm just kind of at this steady RPM speed. Now, I'm going to push the gas a little bit, like that, to take it out. I'm going to push the gas a little bit to put it in.
Wow.
I didn't say I was a professional truck driver. Now, right, you hear that sound? It sounds like you need to shift again.
Yep.
So now we're going to shift again. Now you're going to rev it up a little bit to take it out. And then just kind of step to put it, rev it up and then let go of it to put it in. What's with the car? Okay, I just went watch. I'm downshifting, and so I have my foot off the clutch, and I'm just gonna brake until I take it out, and then now I'm already too slow. So now I'm gonna go into 6. And I'm already too slow for that too. So I had to go into 3 because I was already going too slow. So where are we going? We're rolling, so go. You gotta let go of the clutch hold. Turn.
This way, duh! Making a right turn! That's too wide!
Okay, straighten out some. Gotta watch your trailer in the back. Okay, now shift.
Not when this stupid truck is behind me.
It's fine.
Gas me, patient.
It's fine. He can pass if he wants. Don't bother about them. You're up too high.
Huh?
Up too high. If you're wanting to go faster, then you need to shift. Don't just run your RPMs up that high.
Okay. Shifting. Lifting it up.
Yes.
Do I let go of the gas?
So you're gonna kind of look like doot with the gas as you put it into neutral, and then you're gonna get over to your spot, and then you're gonna go doot as you put it into 6. Okay, don't rush.
I'm gonna be
It's
stuck
fine.
in neutral
No,
then.
you're not. It's fine to be stuck in neutral. You don't have to do it fast whatsoever. You can go. It's fine.
What am I in?
You're in 6. Yes.
No, we're 7.
You tell. Yeah, in the middle and up, not reverse. Good, but you're still kind of going fast. Just slow down. It doesn't. You're not racing anybody. Just by the way, the grinding sounds worse through the camera speakers than it does in real life.
Hold on, do it straight on. Oh, my lights are on, right?
Yeah.
I'm coming up to a stop sign and there's a car behind me.
Just don't roll back. He'll probably pass you by the time we get there.
Well, good. I'm almost going to slow down so he does. There's a line.
It's fine. What are they
Not
gonna do? Run into the
if
back
I
of you?
roll.
Don't roll back. It's fine. As you're letting off the clutch, let off the clutch sooner and just push your gas forward. Not a lot, but enough to where you can get going. Are we turning right up here?
What if I just flipping you? Be fast. Come on,
Said
girl.
there was a whole line.
There's another one.
Just one more? A whole line
He
is
would be
2?
a polite car, not pass. What do I do?
Okay, you're in 7. Now tap the gas to put it into 6. Tap. Tap. Now tap again to put it into 6. Kind of hold it there. See? Kind of hold it there.
You said tap, not hold.
Well, tap and hold. Which way are we turning? We ain't going straight.
Yes, that was the
We're
whole
not
plan.
going straight. I know which way that is straight. And it's neutral. Put your clutch in. Neutral. It's fine. Now push the brake so we don't run this stop sign. Do you want me to do it?
Frickin' would be on my butt.
Come on.
Am I gonna roll?
No. What? Which way do you want to go?
I do believe it's straight. Everybody was supposed to be at home. There's what? Nobody's supposed to be on these roads.
See, watch.
There's a...
See the clock. Now watch. So I don't roll back and hit the car. See how I'm not like insanely revving up? I'm just doing it a little bit while I'm letting go of the clutch.
Why are you turning this way?
Because I do not think to go straight. That's a tight time.
He's turning too.
It's fun.
Go.
Just turn down the road to get rid of him. Okay, just watch what I'm doing. I'm doing it slow. Let's let them pass. Back time. Okay, so now I'm gonna go slow. Pretend I'm downshifting. Oh, I'm going to downshift. I'm slowing down, and then I'm gonna tap, take it out. I'm gonna tap and hold a little bit as I put it into neutral. You kind of just gotta, I'm going a little bit fast now, and so I just kind of tap. I'm gonna brake a little bit more. I'm gonna tap until it finally goes. It's fine, you're doing a lot better than I was doing.
We need to go somewhere where there's like no power restraint.
Well, now watch. I'm in 6. I'm gonna go into 7. So my RPMs are getting kind of high. So I'm pushing the gas. I'm gonna do it a little bit to take it out. I'm gonna do it some more to put it in. Why does it look like a driveway?
Check your phone, make sure it's recording.
Okay, just a minute, watch. I'm in 6, and then my foot's on the gas. Now I'm gonna push the gas a little bit more to put it in a neutral. And then I'm gonna push the gas a little bit. See, I don't have to rush. You're just going right away. We just have to, I've been in neutral. Push the gas a little bit more to rev up the engine a bit to stick it into 7. But this is a gravel road and it's bumpy, so I'm gonna go back to 6. Now I'm gonna push the gas a little bit to put it in a neutral as we slow down. And then to get it into that gear, you just gotta kind of play with the pedal a little bit. See? And don't, just if you hear it grinding, then hold it there a little bit. Don't try to shove it in. If it's grinding, it's not gonna go in.
I feel like we should check the camera. Are we ready?
Just sit here and think of what you're gonna do. Run it through your head.
Which way are we turning?
Now slowly start accelerating. Now you can shift into 2.
My RPMs run at 12.
It's fine. When you're loaded, you're gonna wanna have your RPMs up. Like right now, they're 2. Yeah. When you're loaded and you're hauling grapes, you want your RPMs to be up higher.
Not happening this year.
It's fine.
I can tell you that right now.
Okay, when I started driving semi the harvest of 23, push your gas, play with it. You're not over. Are you downshifting or upshifting?
Now I just need to get in something.
Okay, well now you're going too slow. You're just going to stop and start back at 1. Stop. Start back at 1. When I started driving semi the harvest of 23, I started practicing on the semi like, I don't know, what was it, like a month before harvest. I had driven it like literally just a handful of times, and I drove it with Dad some, and then my brother, and you outshifted it too. Come on up. We're gonna take 5 minutes to come to stop sign. Now push it again. Gently. Pushing your thing. You can start at 3. It's fine. You're empty.
The stop sign is like 100 feet.
Start at in 3. You're already going before you have the clutch pushed in.
I can't turn in 3.
I turn in 6. Do your blinker. The first time I drove with Dad, I didn't even use the blinker. It wasn't until like 2 hours later, then I came out and tell him that I never used the blinker. Just cutting off your head then.
Oh, well, I'm gonna wait for this car. So I'm putting it in neutral.
And stopping.
I should have went forward more. Maybe I need, that's maybe what, I maybe need to say what I'm doing. So, waiting for a truck to pass. I could have went, but.
Just a minute. I had only driven it not very long, and then Mom was like, we were in harvest at that point, and I had driven the semi like from farm to farm on my own, but I still didn't feel like I was ready to haul a load, deliver a load of grapes.
So I am.
Just a minute. But Mom said that I was ready. Is there somebody behind you? Oh no. And so I followed Dad to deliver grapes. He was in the white semi, I was in the Kenworth, and then Mom followed behind me, and she followed me each load I took to deliver the grapes. And so I've been driving ever since then. So she followed me every
to make sure, like, if something happened and Dad was in front. So
yeah, because I wasn't sure if I was ready or not, but after that, then I was good.
the stop sign is moving.
It's because you don't have your foot on your brake.
Well, let me just roll. Well, that's a good idea, because that building's in the way. It's not downhill. I don't know why we're rolling. Right there. Oh, Claire. Oh, might as well wait for that car too. So I'm going to. Okay, so I'm at a stop sign waiting for a truck to pass, so he's not behind me. Now I'm gonna push in the clutch.
The brake's off, right?
I'm gonna push in the clutch.
You can start out in 3.
Start out in 3. Let go of the brake. Let go of the clutch. Slowly press the gas.
Now turn. Turn. Straighten out a bit. Straighten out a bit. Watch your trailer. Shift. 4 is over here. You were in 3.
Shift.
Yep.
Okay. What are we doing?
Your RPMs are up high, so just kind of slow. Now push the gas at a steady pace. Now flick up the switch. Tap the gas to get it out of gear. Tap the gas to put it in gear. Just keep playing with it. Just hold it there. Well, now you push the gas. Okay, go back into 5. It's fine, nobody's gonna end you. Okay, now stop. I had to do this so many times in the wet semi by myself.
Come on.
Okay, it's fine.
That's okay. The video with Bro, I just went and I got it in.
Okay.
First time. What am I in?
3. Push the gas as you let off the clutch.
That's not what I did. Am I not recalling that video correctly? I just went, and it went in.
Well, just take your time. You're controlling the truck. Have that in mind. Just think of everything depends on you shifting. Shift.
Am I in?
3.
There's a stop sign coming up.
Come on. You can go into 6 to get up there.
Good.
Did he throw the trailer in the back?
You gotta believe us.
It's funny. The trailer on the back.
Okay, so. Okay. Shut up. Just. Your phone's fine for now?
I didn't put a cover on my camera.
It landed up. It's fine.
Could have went.
I'm good to go.
Now you're going to push the gas as you let off the clutch. softly. Push the brake.
Whole lot of cars.
There's two. Okay, is there anybody behind you?
No.
Let off the brake. Push it in again. Let off the clutch. Now push it in again. All the way. All the way. Okay. As you're... So you're fine. He's not going to wreck into you. Shift. You better not.
What?
Shift. You're fine. Just do it slower.
It's like I need to shift again.
So shift. Shift. Okay, you're not going in the right gear. Okay, you don't have to put it in a gear. You can just roll for a second. Now, see? Just remember, you don't have to put it in a gear. You could just stay.
Turn your lights on, dude. Do I need to shift?
I mean, you can. I would shift because you're wanting to go faster. See how you try to put it in before you tap the gas again? Before you try to put it in your next gear, tap the gas a little bit.
Whee! Slow down. Slow down. Why? I didn't think you were going to... Get in! Stop. Put it in a neutral. Push your brake. Push your brake. Get your foot off of the clutch and just push the brake.
Turn that way.
Fudge. Hi.
It's fine. Push in your clutch.
It is.
Now turn.
Yeah, turn. Car coming.
Okay, you could have made it. What are you, the slowest driver ever? He doesn't want to come up to the semi because he's like, why the heck did they wait for me that long?
Wait, what are you flashing your lights for? Just turning.
Yep. Turn.
Thank you.
Straighten out.
Now he's gonna be behind me.
I'm going to shift for you.
Yep.
Get foot off the push. Do it yourself.
What am I in?
3. Slow down. Go into 5 because your RPMs.
I should have flashed him back so he's in front of me.
It's fine. It's probably going to that house anyway. So if you're going to have your RPMs up to the side, then shift. Slow. You can just stop with the gas.
Oh boy.
Now just gently tap it as you put it into 6. Let's stay on the road.
I am.
Nobody's coming. This
I
is a
would
gravel
be
road.
fine. Oh yeah, there's nobody coming. There's a truck behind me. If I didn't have to stop, you know, like freeway driving, that'd be easy.
We've had some comments of people saying too that our trucks are like ancient and
To upgrade and get what's it called? The new ones, like the European semis. Where'd the truck go? You turn. Okay, so I'm coming up to a stop sign. So what I'm going to do is just
there are those automatic trucks in the United States. We just do not have one because we use the trucks like 2 months out of the year, and that just doesn't even make sense ROI-wise to get a expensive new automatic truck when these work just fine. And driving just an automatic truck would just feel like we're driving like a big rig instead of a semi. So not worry. If you want to take a minute, you can just take a minute.
Where's 3?
Straight down. Don't push it in. If it wants to go in, it'll go in. You're rolling. I think that's 3.
You don't know.
Well, I'm not in the driver's seat. Yeah. That's 3.
I'm in 3.
Thanks. Okay.
My foot, there's a bar pit.
It's not that. Straighten out a bit. Watch your trailer.
She bent a stop sign one time.
Did not.
You want to go look at it?
Did not.
Going to the plant and you were turning right. That stop sign right there.
I nudged it.
It bent.
It did not bend.
It
The stop
bent.
sign was still standing. We're in 3, so you might as well shift. The stop sign was still standing.
It was still standing, but the stop sign there, it was bent.
Whoa, your RPMs are up too high. When the truck is just loud like that, just let it quiet down.
I remember I nudged the stop sign with the trailer, which bent the stop sign. I just gave it a little love tap. I did not wreck it. She didn't wreck it, she just bent it. I didn't bend it either.
Everything's just kind of loud, so just kind of let it quiet down. You're doing very good. A lot better. You are. A lot better than I did on my first time.
You were in the white one. What if the white one's easier?
And right now is a good time to tap it. Tap, kind of tap and hold.
Well, difference between tap and hold.
A tap hold. Tap hold. Tap hold. Yeah, now tap hold to put it in. I don't think we're in the right slot. Stop.
Shut up. There's a semi
Fine.
behind me.
Tap a bit. Tap. Tap. And then let it rev down and it will go in. Tap and let it rev down. And it will go in. They're not going to wreck into you, so it doesn't matter who's behind you.
If that's a trainee too, and that person doesn't know how to stop. I am turning. Can I turn in 7?
No, you're not.
There needs to be.
Oh, please don't pass.
Start braking.
There needs to be like a warning. Stay 5 football field.
Oh boy.
Stop. Like, you're going to need to get over. And
Yeah.
this car is coming. So stop right here. Put it into neutral. Tap the gas to put it into neutral. Okay. Now this car is coming. You're going to need to get over because you're turning right. Just stop here.
Can I just get
Stop.
in any gear?
Stop. Push the brake because you're going to make it too hard. Now you're going to go into 4. Push the clutch in.
Sorry, dude.
It's fine. Don't see?
Until his trailer hits my trailer. What am I in?
4. You're going to get over because you're going to turn right. Get over.
This is enough.
Keep going straight. Now turn. Turn. You go straight a bit. Watch your trailer so it doesn't go in the pit. Good. Very good. Don't try to speed up really quick because you're still in 4th gear. So just now, you turned great. Now just shift. Tap. Good. already going too high, so just tap to get it out, tap to put it in.
I'm tapping.
Well, you're not even trying to put it in.
It's grinding. Time is it?
I don't
your
know.
phone.
My phone's on the floor.
This is exhausting. I would be able to drive a semi if it was like the new ones that you guys were saying we should get, but then that's not even the point of driving a semi. You're just driving a big truck, a pickup truck.
See? You know what to do.
It's the downshifting and turning.
That's fine. It's all up in your...
Impatient people behind me.
They're fine. It's just all up in your head. You think you gotta do everything all at once. Just take it one step at a time. Huh?
It's like old Bert right here. That's what I feel like. That's what I feel like I need to do. It's like I want to be in Dad's truck. I want to rev it up, shift.
I mean, you can. Just don't like take the RPMs insanely high that you. We're on a gravel road, so I wouldn't go any faster than this. You just need a few more lessons and you got it.
I still don't, because the juice grapes, they're juicy, and so like if you jolt the semi, it's gonna spill. Even though the lid's shut, it's not like a secured lid, you know. It's just it'll splash the grapes all around, and then that's less tonnage and yeah, less weight. So we have been driving for about an hour and a half, and I'm tired. I want to be done. So
she did very well for her very first time. Pretty much.
Yeah.
The first time didn't really count. That was like 5 minutes. She just needs a few more times.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.
We'll have to do like a spring lesson. She just needs a couple more times of getting it, and then she'll get it.
Okay, so we wanted to keep this video under an hour, and we still have some more footage in regards to the semi and what was wrong with it, so stay tuned.
Look like.
Do it again.
Otherwise, we'll just get one out when we're driving. This is annoying. I guess we could put a rake. I'm a genius. Wait! Before you do that up, I'm telling you, it's not recording. Because it was all moving and the... It's fine. It's good.
Now we're gonna have a big blue blob above our head.
Uh-uh.